Hi everyone, welcome back. Do you want to get an immunity boost without having to break out the old juicer? Start by cutting up one whole lemon. I'm hand squeezing my lemon because I don't have a lemon squeezer, but you could use yours if you have one. To avoid using a juicer, I'm going to grate my ginger into a cheesecloth and squeeze it by hand. About 2 tablespoons worth. When you're in need of a ginger shot, you're probably feeling under the weather. The last thing you want to be doing is washing a juicer. With this method, there isn't a whole lot to clean up afterwards. This recipe is good for one whole shot, but you could always increase the amount of ingredients if you want more. I'm using apple juice as a chaser, but you could use whatever you want. Ready? Perfect. Whew. I hope this encourages you to give this shot a shot next time you're in need. Until next time.